Hi everyone, I'm Keiko Freeland. Let's examine the information about the Japanese speech contest. First slide shows you the key of the speech contest. Let's take a look at the purpose first. The purpose is to understand the Japanese culture, compare it with the US or other culture, and build up the Japanese language, presentation, leadership, public speaking, and then communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity, those 21st century skills. And this project is working with a pair, so collaboration skills are required. And you have to choose one Japanese folktale stories. Here's a link later, those Japanese stories. So this is all website or paper or website Japanese tools access. And then here's the Japanese folktale stories. This is like about 90 stories in it, so it should be enough stories to choose. And these are Japanese tools I will show you later, especially red bread one. This is Japan Dict, dictionary, kanji, more function. And when you see here, dictionary research, users list, and the kanji. So you can put here any research word in English or Japanese. And here is a kanji research, and then research by drawing. This is cool function. When you see here, when you see that kanji, you can understand it, you can write it down in here. For example, it's difficult like down here, but and identify here. It's look like those. Actually, I write down here, so you can find it those functions and more. For example, here is a pronunciation in it. Listen. And this is a meaning. And then later is hiragana table. This is also has a sound. So those are same thing. You can make sure the pronunciation from those. This is a really great one. I like it very much. And this is another one, jisho. So you can find word from here, or these are function. So you can see Great English Search, text reading assistance. So there are so many of them. So you have to take a look and have fun with it. Take advantage from it. Okay. Last Japanese language tools. This is a Takoboto. This is English dictionary, list and grammar apps. I'm going to show you grammar one especially. This is all of like these pages. This is articles, particles. You guys have a trouble like many grammars. It's really convenient. You can see such Japanese grammar here. So just like try, and then this gonna be support you well. Next slide show you rubric and self-evaluation. Rubric is for your presentation, and it contains those 8 categories. So please focus on those categories when you do perform. And this evaluation form is after the speech contest. You must answer the self-evaluation form. This purpose is to accomplish your learning and provide you with some advice by yourself for your learning, future learning. And this one is show you and reminds you of important human being and academic rules regarding using technology. Please make sure you will watch those videos. Last one is the slide. We communicate by emails, online meetings, and then our today's journal. So please do not hesitate to talk with peers and me. We are here to support each other. And let's have fun!